Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri on your headphones STEELSERIES Arctis GameBuds. You have to start by open the application. Now go to settings at the right top and then go to button mapping. Now decide you wanna use the left earbud or right earbud. I prefer left one, and for a single tap or double tap you wanna call a Siri. So I prefer single tap, so just click here. It's the same for the double tap. And choose mobile voice assistant. Now, if I press one time on my left earbud, I will call a Siri. So, hi Siri, how are you? And as you can see, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!